Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I am going to share you about the details that if you are not allocated to project, then you will use a mail to your RMG regarding that, and the mail should be like this: that dear sir, I am writing this mail to you because I am unallocated from the last this month, and you have to mention your joining date, that my joining date is for this, and I got release from the ILP and your release letter, and also write that I have also got the release letter from my ILP training. Okay, and also mention your stream along with your extent training and experience that you gain, and the technologies that you have worked on, all that. And you could use this type of mail also, as I am trained in these specification technologies, and I have worked on Java, Python and all that technologies. And please kindly consider my request and allocate me to the project. And if you have already done this mail regarding that, then please rewrite the mail again and again in every week or after 10 days. Okay, and so if you are not allocated, then this means that there are less number of projects and that TCS is getting right now. And if you are getting a call from any project, then please consider that project and try to get into that project. Because if you are thinking that I want to be a developer and I don't want to be in the testing role or any role provided by other, then there will be a problem, that because of the less number of projects, and there will be a issue. So I think that if you are getting any call, then please try and get into that project, because the number of projects are very less, and it may lose some more time if you are not getting into that any project call that you are getting from projects team. So this is the whole process, that you have to write a mail to your RMG, your onboarding manager, regarding their allocation. And if you are getting mail from any particular person regarding your allocation and filling for the details, if they are asking for your technologies and specification, then please follow that mail also. So this is all for today's video, and if you like, please like and share my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day, take care.